Welcome back to India Weekly Pulse, your one-stop roundup of the biggest stories from India and around the world, spanning defense, geopolitics, sports, and entertainment. Today is Sunday, June 8th, and we've got some major developments that you don't want to miss. Let's dive in. For the first time outside France, Rafale fuselage production is coming to India. Dassault Aviation and Tata Advanced Systems have signed 4 strategic agreements. A new facility in Hyderabad will start operations in fiscal year 2028 and will produce 2 fuselages per month. This marks a new era in Indian defense manufacturing. A major offer from Russia, Moscow has proposed transferring the source code for its 5th-generation fighter jet to India. This unprecedented offer signals deepening strategic defense ties and opens doors for India to potentially co-develop or locally modify advanced platforms beyond Su-57. DRDO's STAR missile project has officially entered Phase 3. STAR, a liquid-fuel ramjet tech demonstrator, is being developed for multi-domain strategic roles. It will enhance BrahMos variants, serve as a supersonic target for Indian air defense systems like Akash, QRSAM, and Kusha, and may even support a long-range anti-AWACS or anti-radiation variant. Self-reliance and cutting-edge propulsion go hand in hand here. On June 1st, the Indian Navy conducted a joint exercise in the Arabian Sea with the Italian Navy's ITS Antonio Marcellia and the Spanish Navy's ESPS Reina Sofia under the EU Naval Forces Operation Atalanta. The drill included tactical maneuvers and anti-piracy operations, reinforcing Indo-European maritime collaboration. In a dramatic move, Russia offered to return 6,000 bodies of fallen Ukrainian soldiers during Istanbul talks. President Zelensky reportedly refused, prompting sharp criticism from Russian Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Maria Zakharova, who claimed Ukrainians mean nothing to their leadership. Pakistan is now eyeing Chinese hypersonic missile tech as its Fateh-I, Fateh-II, and CM-400 AKG missiles failed to break through India's multi-layered air defense. Frustration in Islamabad is mounting. Russia is rapidly upgrading its F-35 to 5th Gen Plus status, focusing on pilot-optional operation, AI integration, and advanced stealth. Lockheed Martin is also targeting India as a future buyer of the upgraded F-35 and F-21 fighters. Pakistan is set to serve as vice chair of the UN Counter-Terrorism Committee, sparking international irony given its own terror links. Netizens and experts are calling it putting the fox in charge of the henhouse. India's MR-SAM system scored big in recent engagements, successfully intercepting the Fateh-II missile and possibly even taking down 3 to 4 Pakistani jets mid-air. Precision, power, proof. In other global developments, Russia and China have intensified Arctic military drills while the US reaffirms its Indo-Pacific naval deployments. The world's geopolitical chessboard is heating up, and India remains a key piece. This weekend's big entertainment news: Houseful 5 is off to a smashing start. The Akshay Kumar starrer has raked in 54 crore rupees in just 2 days. With high-energy performances and nostalgia-driven comedy, it may finally mark a big hit for Akshay after a string of box office duds. On the cricket front, the Indian Premier League concluded with thrilling performances and unforgettable moments. From centuries to super overs, the final was everything fans hoped for. That's it for today's edition of India Weekly Pulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things India and beyond. We'll see you next Sunday with more power-packed stories. Jai Hind!